Hello students, in this video we are going to start for third chapter numerical differentiation and integration. Numerical differentiation and integration. Numerical differentiation and integration. Okay. First of all, we will see what is numerical differentiation. Numerical differentiation. Formula for numerical differentiation is dy by dx at x is equals to x0, which is equals to 1 by h in bracket delta y0 minus 1 by 2 delta square y0 plus 1 by 3 delta cube y0 minus 1 by 4 delta raised to 4 y0 plus and so on. Okay, this is the formula for numerical differentiation, and this formula is derived from Newton's forward difference formula. Okay, and d square y upon dx square at x is equals to x0, which is equals to 1 by h delta square y0. Delta square y0 means second order forward differences minus delta cube y0 plus 11 upon 12 delta raised to 4 y0 minus 5 by 6 delta raised to 5 y0 plus 137 upon 180 delta raised to 6 y0 plus and so on. This is the formula for numerical differentiation. Okay, we will see examples on this formula. First example is find d by dx j0 of x at x is equals to 0.1 from the following data. Okay, here data is x is 0.0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, and y corresponding values 1.0, 0.99, 0.9975, 0.9900, 0.977C, and last is 0.9604. Okay. First of all, we have to construct a forward difference table. Okay, we construct forward difference table. We construct forward difference table as follows. Okay. X, y, first order forward difference, then second order forward differences delta cube y and delta raised to 4 y. Okay, here values of x are 0.0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.4. Okay, values of y are 1.0, 0.9975, 0.9900, 0.9776, 0.9604. You know that very well. First order differences means 0.9975 minus 1.0 is minus 0.0025. Calculate these values on calculator. This is 0.0075. This is minus 0.0124. Here is minus 0.0172. Okay. Now calculate delta square y. Delta square y. This is the difference of these two. This is minus 0.0050. Next is this minus this. What is that value? Minus 0.049. Here is minus 0.0048. Now calculate third order forward differences. That is, this is 0.001. This is again 0.001. Delta raised to 4 y. Here is 0.0. Okay. From given data, observe that here you have to calculate J0 of x at x is equals to 0.1. Means here your x is 0.1, x0 is 0 and h means interval of differencing. What is that? Here is 0.1 minus 0 is 0.1. Okay. To compute the derivatives with Newton's forward difference formula, use the formula dy by dx at x is equals to x0 is equals to 1 by h delta y0 minus 1 by 2 delta square y0 plus 1 by 3 delta cube y0 minus 1 by 4 delta raised to 4 y0 plus and so on. Okay. Now here observe that you have to calculate derivative at point x is equals to 0.1. This is your x is equals to 0.1. So here delta y0 is this value, delta square y0 is this value and delta cube y0 is this value. Okay. So write here. Here you get h is equals to 0.1, delta y0 is equals to minus 0.0075, delta square y0 is equals to minus 0.0049, delta cube y0 is equals to 0.001 and delta raised to 4 into y0 is obviously 0. Okay, 0.0. Okay. Now put all these values in this formula. You will get derivative at point x is equals to x0. Okay. Therefore, dy by dx at x is equals to x0. Here your x0 is 0.1, which is equals to 1 by h. Here h is 0.1. in bracket delta y0 is minus 0.0075 minus 1 by 2 into delta square y0 is minus 0.0049 plus 1 by 3 into delta cube y0 is 0.001 minus 1 by 4 into 0. Okay, 1 by 4 into 0. Calculate this from calculator. You get answer minus 0.0502. This is the derivative at point x is equals to 0.1. Okay. Now we will take one more example. Second example is from the following data, of x and y, find dy by dx at x is equals to 1, 3 and d square y upon dx square at x is equals to 3. Okay. Here data is x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y is 6.9897. Here is 7.4036 for 2. Value of y is 7.7815, three, 4, 5 and 6. For 3 value is 8.1291, 8.4510, 8.7506, 9.0309. Okay. First of all, we construct a forward difference table. We construct forward difference table. We construct forward difference table as follows. Okay. X, y, delta square y, delta cube y, delta raised to 4y, delta raised to 5y and delta raised to 6y. Okay. Here x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Here y is 6.9897, 7.4036, 7.7815, 8.1291, 8.4510, 8.7506, 9.0309. This minus this, you will get 0.4139. Here is 0.3779. Here is 0.3476, 0.3219, 0.2996, 0.2803. Second order differences are 0.0360 minus 0.0303 minus 0.0257 minus 0.0223 minus 0.0193. Here is 0.057, 46. Here is 0.0034. Here is 0.0030 minus 0.011 minus 0.0012 minus 0.004. This difference is minus 0.001, 0.0008, 0.009. Okay, this is the forward difference table for given data. Okay, so here observe that you will get x0 is equals to 0. Okay, h is interval of differencing is 1. Next is x is equals to 1 and 3. You have to calculate dy by dx at x is equals to 1 as well as 3, and second derivative at x is equals to 3. Okay, student, here understand, here you have to calculate first derivative at x is equals to 1. Okay, here so here is x, y, delta square y, delta cube y, delta raised to 4 y, delta raised to 5 y. Formula is dy by dx x is equals to x0, which is equals to 1 by h, delta y0 minus 1 by 2, delta square y0 plus 1 by 2, here is 1 by 3, delta cube y0 minus 1 by 4, delta raised to 4 y0 plus and so on. Okay, so students, see here, what is h? Value of h is here 1 by 1. Okay, you have to calculate derivative at x is equals to, okay, I will write here dy by dx at x is equals to x0, and your x0 is 1. Here you have to calculate derivative at x is equals to 1. Okay, delta y0, you have to calculate derivative at 1. So your delta y0 is this value. Next is delta square y0 is this. Delta cube y0 is this. Delta raised to 4 y0 is this, and delta raised to 5 y0 is this value. Okay, now put all these values in this formula. Delta y0 0.3779 minus 1 by 2 into minus, here is minus 0.0303 plus 1 by 3 into delta cube 0.0046. Okay, 0.0046 minus 1 by 4 into 0.0012 plus 1 by 5 into 0.0008. Okay, simplify this on calculator, you will get the answer 0.3950. This is the first derivative at x is equals to a. Okay. Now you have also asked that calculate derivative at x is equals to 3. So here is dy by, okay. Now you have to calculate derivative at x is equals to 3. Then you have to calculate derivative at x is equals to 3. So your delta y0 is this value, delta square y0 is this value, and delta cube y0 is this value. So put all these values in your formula, you will get an answer. Okay. Delta y0 is 0.3219 minus 1 by 2 into minus 0.0223 plus 1 by 3 into delta cube y0 is 0.0030. Okay. Simplify this, you will get answer 0.34099. Okay. Now in problem you have asked that calculate d square y upon dx square at x is equals to 3. D square y upon dx square, x is equals to x0. Formula is 1 by h delta square y0 minus delta cube y0 plus 11 upon 12 delta raised to 4 y0 plus minus 5 by 6 delta raised to 5 y0 plus and so on. Okay, which is equals to, here h is 1, so this is 1 by 1. Okay. Now students, observe that here you have to calculate second derivative at x is equals to x0. So here this is the delta square y0, this is delta cube y0, and this is delta raised to 4 y0. So put these values in formula, minus 0.0257 minus 0.0034 minus 11 upon 12, sorry, here is plus 11 upon 12 into minus 0.004. Okay. Calculate this on calculator, you will get answer minus 0.0295. Okay. We will stop here. In next video we will discuss numerical integration. Thank you.